Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Boxing for K-pop CD that I got, and this one's gonna be a bonus because that we've been chosen. So this is the photo we got for extra bonus, and then the back saying M-Wave, meet and greet. So this is the album signed version, TOO, second mini album, 10 members, and then we go over. This book is very big. It looks like a letter size book, and then it's covered with a little plastic here. Yeah, here it says wanting together, TOO, every member sign. Oh wow, I think another guy like cats, little M with a little cat eye. So this is happy face, a star, looks like a star but it's not a star. Very nice matte paper. Oh, inside is a thick paper. Looks very good, the quality wise. So it's more like a summer soccer theme, this album. Yeah, I heard their album once on YouTube. It sounds good, so we decided to like order this. So this is our first TOO album. Everyone looks like a summer boy. Oh, this looks like a kiss. Oh my god, when you close up, he looks like a little kids, like a junior high school kids. And then when you look further, he's back to like adult. It's called baby face. Never get old, huh? Wow. All the sunshine boys. Looks so cute. Baseball. So how could that be baseball related to? Oh, not just a soccer. They also carry baseball, basketball. So basically a sport theme for this album. Yeah, the book is big. I like it. It's more like a letter size photo book. And the paper is good. Oh, now it's tennis version. Isn't it a shirt sign too? His shirt sign was name on it. Oh, skateboarding. Cool. Special card. Go over quickly. We're back. Oh, it's a signature with the cat. Oh, is that so? That's him signing this. This is sticker. No, that's not a sticker. Jerome. This is a bigger photo card in the back. Oh, it's a ticket. Whoo! So again, I missed that admission to the sport game, huh? And finally, it's the sticker. Wondering if they designed it. And let's quickly go back to the book. Yeah. 10 members, so many. So each member has his own special unique sport. See, this guy has a little signature here. He put a signature on his shirt properly. Let me see. Yes, that's his signature. Now soccer. Oh, now they're skipping the sport now. Back to like ocean scenery. Oh, surfboard. He definitely look like those kind of baby face. The V shape. Victory. So charming. First is at the sport fields, and then the second half is more like an oceans settings. The Beach Boys. So it's two settings for this album. Both are look so pretty. Oh, now all 10 together. Oh, sunset. Looks so pretty. Oh, and this is the CD with all the shoes on. And then there's an end credit on here. And then this is another two cards that I got. It's a random card too, I believe. This is I got. And then the back is just a second CD album. And another special card here. And then the back has the signature on it. And then there's lyrics. It's all the separate big pages. So this is all the lyrics right here. And the back has the poster. I wish they can put their actual face on it instead of a anime GIF. But yeah, that's it for this album. And I like the special card. It's a bonus again, but it would be better if they have a sign, a bigger one, like a letter size. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.